friends. So I just wanted to reach out. We're getting toward the end of October and I don't want you to miss out on any of the specials. So I have notes. The starter kit, if you are thinking about signing up with Stampin' Up, it is normally 100 or it's $155 worth of product for only $99 this month. And they throw, in addition to that product, which you pick out, not them, you get to pick whatever you want. They also throw in free business supplies and free shipping in October, but only in October. So make sure if you've been thinking about it, this is the month to do it. Number two, close to my heart products sold by Stampin' Up. There is on the left-hand side a close to my heart tab, a CTMH. Click on the CTMH tab under products and everything's 30% off. So flip flaps, page protectors, paper, cardstock, guys, two-tone cardstock in single packs, in variety packs, and there's this really pretty one, Spring Garden, something about garden, I think. Anyway, it's got designs on it. Dirt cheap, 14 bucks for 24 sheets of paper. I think it's 24 sheets. So great deal. Make sure that you take advantage of it. That's while supplies last. And I just saw, I went in, I put a whole bunch of stuff in my cart last night. Sidetracked, sorry. But I put a whole bunch of stuff in my cart last night and I woke up this morning and a whole bunch of it's gone, like the tape runners. I had a whole bunch of those tape runners that close to my heart designed that I love that are now gone forever. Um, so anyway, while supplies last, do it while you can. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the Stampin' Up! Kits. So they're up to 30% off all kits this month. And so obviously there's tons of card kits to pick from, and I've turned tons of those card kits into scrapbooking workshops. So you've seen ways that you can use it that are beyond cards, but obviously they're also beautiful just as cards. But I wanted to show you some other stuff too that maybe you weren't aware of, like this magnet board. So it's a magnet board and it dry erases. I practiced this weekend and it does work. So it's not just the magnet board and all the little magnets that come with it, but you get some 3x4, basically picture my life cards, little cards that you can add, whatever you want, journaling wise too. It comes with stickers. So stickers in several languages. You'll probably just want the English ones, but obviously they're really pretty stickers. And some other stickers include flowers and butterflies. Sorry, Lori, there's butterflies, which means I'm very happy. And some more flowers, some tabs. Some adhesive comes in there. You get these two little already scored for you little file folders that you fold down that become pockets that you attach to the magnet board. And then two-sided paper, two 12x12 sheets so that you can pick 4 different designs. And if you just use the clips to attach it, you don't even have to really attach it. You can switch them out all the time. So that's one really cool one. 30% up to 30% off. I think this one's normally 25. I got it for 17 bucks. Worth it, right? So this next one I want to show you is Happy Household Plants. This is 4 little frames. I would say they're 6x6 frames. It comes with punch out pieces for little plants and 4 little frames to go inside there to help frame up your artwork. And then, oop, that's upside down. So these little punch out pieces then attach to this to create this fun artwork. And lucky us, inside there is step-by-step instructions to create all 4 of those frames. Love it, love it. Okay, next one. I'm going to make this video quick so you don't have to watch forever. All right, this is a brand new one. It's called a Look Back Kit. It is this adorable I would say 6x7, 5x7 book, 5x7. And inside it is adorable and fun to create, like this just fun little book. But in addition to the book, there is punch out pieces in a variety of colors and themes that you use to then design your book. It's just stunning. Absolutely. And like all the work's done for you. I don't have to do a lot of thinking for this, you guys, because like it's just mountains and mountains of awesome. And then alphabet stickers and words. Let's find our words. Birthday, sunshine, love, love, love. And of course, there is somewhere in here, whoops, kind of a little guide on things that you could do with your book. Oh, okay. And two more. Christmas. So this one is called Christmas Ornaments Kit. It has little punch out pieces that are pretty on both sides. Circles, leaves that are super easy to punch right out. Check this out. Look at that gorgeous embellishing, and they pop right out of there, super easy for you. And rings in two different sizes, metal rings, little plastic pieces, embellishment ribbon, some pretty ribbon bows, and again, instructions on how to do it. Now, this one does say you're going to want a hot glue gun. So keep that in mind with this one, that you will want a hot glue gun. And then the last one that I have that I wanted to share with you is this awesome card kit. So it is called Card Keeper Kit. It comes with, again, little punch out pieces, words. So happy birthday, thinking of you. All the different languages are on there too, but we've got happy birthday, thinking of you. And then here's the fun part. Oh, I'll grab the instructions because I want to show you that. So it is a box. It came in a tiny little flat. This is the box that it came in, just a regular box. And very easily, three little strips of adhesive that you pull off to pop the box open. So inside this box now, it comes with dividers so that you can keep your cards organized. It comes with envelopes, card bases in two different styles, gold foil embossed pieces, these vellum circles, and stickers for you to label up all of your little things there. So it's a great way to organize cards, plus it comes with cards. So tons of things on that kits tab. Again, off on the left, click on kits, and it'll bring you to all of the kits, again, up to 30% off. Do it now, October, you guys. So I hope that you shop. I miss you. I hope you come over. More than shopping, come over. I miss you. Come play. See you soon. Bye, friends.